Hey guys, it's Henry here, and today I'm back with another video. You guys probably know that I love to shop for food and gadgets, especially through e-commerce platform. Do you know that there's a way for you to shop online with less hassle and enjoy great savings at the same time? So here I am going to show you how to shop online on TopzMall website. First, you need to type the word TopzMall on your Google search. Then, click on the first result with TopzMall.com URL link. Click on the round smiley icon on top right below Contact Us. Fill up all the required personal details to register for a new account. When you're done, fill up your email and password to log in. You can also use your mobile number to log in and enter your OTP number that you have received on your mobile phone. There are many variety of products that you can find in TopzMall website. You can also enjoy all the exclusive promotions from their sales campaign. So right now, I am thinking to get the Shin-chan's favorite snack from the brand Tohato. So just type in the keyword of the products to find the items that you want. Click on the product and select the variation and the quantity that you want. When the item is added to cart, you can check the shopping cart or continue to shop. You are required to add your delivery address before checking out. So make sure that your address are written correctly. You can add in any discount coupon if you have and click payment to enter the payment page. You can pay via credit or debit card, online banking, e-wallet such as Boost, GrabPay, Mcash, and Touch and Go, or Pay for Me. Click Proceed when you have selected your payment choice. And that's it. Very simple steps for you to shop without leaving your home. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.